What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been way too long, but honestly I needed to take a break. It was just a lot going on, and so I felt like I needed to just kind of step back a little bit. But I am back and I am just ready for you guys. All right, so to start off, I wanted to do a review on this product that I've been hearing about. It's called the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler, and yeah, I basically received this product yesterday. So I actually started the whole filming process yesterday, but I didn't want to use that. I will, however, be using just a couple clips from when I was actually blow drying the hair. Let's get into it. My last opinion on this blow dryer is that it's the mother loving best. So far I haven't seen anything like it, and I recommend this blow dryer. I feel like this blow dryer just skipped all the other blow dryers and just went right to the top, because it's worth it, especially for 4C hair, for all those like hard coarse hair. This blow dryer is worth it, like hands down. That's all I gotta say. All right. So if that doesn't tell you something, then I don't know what will. So all the information is down in the description box, so be sure to check that out and yeah, see for yourself. All right, bye.